Some of my classmates had internships in manufacturing, so I thought, hey, it's something I've never seen before, why don't I try it?
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.
The following is an excerpt from the Brain Gain Navigators series. For more information on this series, click on the Brain Gain tab at BusinessJournalDaily.com.
I was always interested in engineering. Throughout middle school and high school, I was strong in math and science, so I went into college kind of engineering undecided. And I took a materials science course and fell in love with that. Landed into a steel internship in metallurgy, and I wasn't expecting to like heavy manufacturing so much, but it is exciting and you see huge things being made. So that was really unique compared to more of a university setting where I was working in small laboratories on really small things. So that's what drew me to this manufacturing area.
My day-to-day, I get to operate the crane. I bring material over to the saw, measure it out, cut it to the specs that they wish, inspect it, sometimes load trucks. High school, I went straight into factory life. I did a little bit of college. Did okay with college, but figured this was the easy way. Had a family, had to support my family myself, so it brought me here. It was close to home, and it was a good job.
I grew up in an area where manufacturing isn't very prevalent, so going into college, it wasn't on my radar as something to do. So I got exposed to that a little bit in college. Some of my classmates had internships in manufacturing, so I thought, hey, it's something I've never seen before, why don't I try it?
Challenging was coming in, not knowing how to operate the crane, or there's a lot of new. But one good thing with our company, they will teach you. If you want to learn, the sky's the limit. So I've got to learn how to operate the crane. I've never operated a saw, especially this big. I've operated smaller saws, but I've learned that. It's really neat. They definitely do teach you more to advance. I think that it's rewarding, especially if college is not for you. This is definitely a good outlet. You can support yourself, you can support your family. You can learn more. You can go to school here too. It's not a bad thing.
I think it's becoming a lot more common for young ladies to go into this type of work. Half of my classmates were female also, which is really great. I think we bring a fresh perspective and we're changing the way people think of when they think of manufacturing. It's not all these big, gruff men anymore. We have a lot of science that we can implement in it, and I think young people, young ladies and young men are really good at implementing that science and improving the quality of our products.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.